This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Denirg.live. Some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by Denirg.live. Keep in mind that these pop-ups are totally faulty and obviously very deceptive. You should not tolerate these pop-ups. They are the result of some adware in your computer, so we recommend you to treat these pop-ups with extreme caution and not to install anything that they might suggest. Just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.